If your employer offers fertility benefits, that does not automatically mean every IVF cost is covered. Fertility benefits can be generous, but they can also be confusing. You may have a medical plan, pharmacy benefits, a reimbursement wallet, a direct pay benefit, a lifetime maximum, a clinic network, prior authorization rules, and separate rules for donor services. Here are the questions to ask before you begin IVF. First, ask HR or your benefits team, do we have a fertility benefit or only regular health insurance coverage? Some employers offer fertility benefits through a specialty provider. Others rely on the regular medical plan. Some plans cover diagnostic testing, but not treatment. Coverage can vary by plan, so confirm details directly with the insurance provider and your benefits coordinator. Second, ask whether the benefit covers IVF, IUI, fertility medications, donor sperm, donor eggs, embryo testing, embryo storage, and embryo storage. Do not assume one fertility benefit covers every family-building path. LGBTQ+ couples, solo parents, and donor conception families should ask specifically about donor sperm, donor eggs, reciprocal IVF, gestational carriers, legal costs, and counseling requirements. Third, ask whether the benefit is reimbursement or direct payment. Reimbursement means you may pay first and submit documentation later. Direct payment means the benefit provider may pay approved providers directly. That difference matters when you are managing a large healthcare expense.
Fourth, ask about the lifetime maximum. A lifetime maximum is the total fertility benefit available over time. It might sound large, but IVF can involve multiple services. Ask whether medications count against the maximum, whether storage counts, whether donor services count, and whether the amount resets if your employer changes plans. Fifth, ask about prior authorization. Prior authorization means approval may be required before treatment, testing, or medication. Ask which tests or treatments require prior authorization, who submits it, and how long approval takes. Sixth, ask about clinic networks. Some benefits require you to use certain clinics, pharmacies, labs, or providers. Ask whether your preferred clinic is in-network, whether out-of-network care is covered, and whether switching clinics affects your benefit. Seventh, ask what documentation is required. You may need invoices, diagnosis codes, treatment plans, prescriptions, proof of payment, or clinic forms. Ask before paying large bills, so you know what records to keep. Finally, ask what happens if treatment crosses calendar years, job changes, or plan changes. IVF does not always fit neatly into one benefits year. Ask what happens if retrieval happens in one year and transfer happens in another, or if you change jobs during treatment. Fertility benefits can reduce financial stress, but only if you understand the rules before treatment starts. Educational only. This is not medical, legal, or financial advice. Talk with your HR team, benefit provider, insurance company, clinic, and qualified professionals about your personal situation.